Second reading. "Mom, can we go play at the park, please?" says John. "Not today, honey," replies Mom. "Why not?" asks John. "Because it's too hot," she says. "No, it's not. It's a nice day," says John. "I wish I could take you to the park, John. I wish we could play there, but I'm just too tired," Mom says. "But you didn't work today," says John. Mom feels bad. She wants to play with her son. Her weight prevents her from fun play days. She is obese. This makes her tired. She gets short of breath and her body aches. Being obese is not good for her or her son.